really do know that most persons out there would love to start creating content, but the only thing stopping them is editing. So each time they remember that after creating content they will have to edit it, they just go back to bed saying they do not want to disturb their peace of mind. Now the thing is this: it is good for you to edit your videos, but it does not mean that you need a laptop or you need Adobe Premiere Pro before you can start editing. Now let me shock you. Are you aware that with just your smartphone you can film and edit your videos like a professional? You may be hearing this for the first time. Now, it might not even sound as if I'm saying the truth to you, but you see this video, I will teach you the basic things that you need to know as a video editor. So, if editing is your problem, if editing is one of the things stopping you from creating content, now say bye-bye to it, because after this video you will start creating your content. So without wasting much time, without making this video long, just come with me to my Capcut, because I'm using Capcut for this video. Come with me to Capcut. Let me show you all the basic things that you need to know about editing, starting from how you can cut your videos, how you can color grade, how you can do literally everything that will make your videos stand out. Come with me, please. Okay guys, for the sake of this tutorial, we will be making use of Capcut. So please, if you don't have it, kindly move over to your Apple Store or you move over to your Play Store. Go and get yours now. So after downloading it, you have to open it. Once you open it, this is the interface that you will see. So what you do at this point is for you to click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, it will take you directly to your gallery. You choose any video of your choice. After choosing a video, this is what you're to do. If you check at the right hand side, you will see add. It is saying add one because I clicked on just one clip. So now I'll click on add. Now that I have clicked on add, it has brought me to this interface. So this is what I love doing to all my videos before I begin to cut. So what I will do at this point is this: you click on the video. So now that you've clicked on it, it has highlighted. So the first thing I will do is for me to increase the volume. Now look at the things. Look, these are the icons you'll be working with. You understand? So you scroll. Here you see volume. I am going to explain all these icons to you. You click on volume. Once you click on volume, you increase it. I really do know that most persons out there would love to start creating content. So at this point, let me tell you the functions of all these icons and how you can use it to better your video. So this particular one is edit. This one is audio, in case you want to record. This one is text, in case you want to write. This one is overlay, in case you want to bring in a video. This one is effect. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end, I will tell you how to use all of this. So if it's this other one, this one is caption. I'll show you how to use it. This one is aspect ratio. This one is filter. This one is adjust. Now this one is stickers. This one is sticker. This one is background. If you want to change the background of your video. So what I love doing is this: I will change my aspect ratio. This is my aspect ratio here. So I will click on it. Now that I have clicked on it, you can see the aspect ratio for different social media platforms. This one is TikTok. This is YouTube, Instagram, another one, and all of that. So for the sake of this video, I'll be making use of 16:9, which is for YouTube. So after clicking it, I will now click on this good sign. So I've clicked on it. Now what I'm going to do next is this: I need to color grade this video. Do you understand? So I will scroll. Some persons that you can make use of filters. You can click on this is filter. This is filters, in case you want to make use of it. It will definitely save your time, but I don't like using filters. You understand? So let me just click on the filter so that you can see. So if you click on filters, there are many of them here. They are very, very many. Look at many of them. So some are free, some are not free, so you can use anyone. If I click on this, you can see the video is changing already. If I click on this, but I don't want it. So look at, because I've used a particular filter, this is why we are having this. So I don't know if you can see this and this. If you want to undo a particular thing, you click on this. So now that I've clicked on it, you see it is changing. I've clicked on it again. I am undoing the things that I did before, so it will soon go back to the way it was. So I've done that. I've undo it. So I've literally undone everything that I did. You understand? So even the volume, let me show you, even the volume that I increased, I've literally reduced it. So in case I want to go back to include the volume again, so I will click on this other one. So I've clicked on it. It has brought back the volume to 706. Then what else? Okay, the aspect ratio. I've clicked on it again. The aspect ratio is now 16:9. Now let me show you how to color grade, because this is the next thing I love doing. I like color grading before I even go ahead to edit. So for you to color grade your video, you have to click on adjust. You understand? So you click on adjust. Okay, once you click on adjust, here you'll see filter, here you'll see adjust, and here you'll see video quality. So under adjust, these are the things that we are going to do to our video to make it look professional. So we have the pro features and we have the free features as well. So what I'll do at this point is for me to click on brightness. Now I've clicked on brightness, and this brightness has two sides. This is the positive side and this is the negative side. So I love adjusting mine according to my complexion. So I wouldn't really tell you that you should adjust yours to 10 to 20. It all depends on your complexion. So now I'm going to adjust it. I am adjusting it. I don't know if you can see that it is changing. Now I stopped it here at 10. Now I will leave it. Now I have clicked on contrast. Now I'm going to drag it. As you're dragging, you should be looking at the image so that you don't get too whitish. You understand? I am going over to saturation. I've clicked on saturation now. I think this is okay for me. After saturation, I'm moving over to brilliance. So at this point, as you are adjusting, you're looking. Now I'll move over to sharpen. So for this sharpen, I'll bring it up to 43. Do you understand? So next thing I'm gonna do now is clarity. So I'll move over to clarity. So this clarity, let's make it 42. You understand? So at this point, I'll also move over to HSL. So I'll click on it. Now that I've clicked on it, under this HSL, we have dew, we have saturation, and we have brightness. So you need to be very, very careful so that you don't apply it real much. You just need to apply it little, and you see your face popping. You understand? So here I'm going to apply. You drag it. Be very careful when dragging. This is 12. I think it's too much. This is 9. This other one is 6. This other one, the brightness is 9. So after that, you click on this good sign. You click on the good sign. So now that I've clicked on the good sign, see, let me play the video so that you can see.
I really do know that
guys, this video is giving. Like, look at my skin. Should I bring in the original video so you can compare it with this other one? Like, look at my skin, guys. Look at my skin. So at this point, if you want to cut your video, so let's assume you made a blunder. There's a particular place that you want to remove it. So this is what you're going to do. So let's assume this is the space you want to remove. So you just highlight the video like this. After highlighting the video, you highlight the video like this. Can you see this split? So you click on split. Now that you've clicked on split, so let's assume this is the part you want to take out. So you can just click on this delete. You understand? So you click on this delete. If you click on delete, this side will be gone. So did you see that that particular side is gone already? Now let me show you guys something else in case you want to add a write-up to it. You understand? In case you want to add a write-up to it, so you can just come here, you click on text. So you click on text. So when you click on text, you will see all of this. You will see all these features. So what you do now is for you to click on add text. You understand? You click on add text. Once you click on add text, this interface will pop up. So you write anything of your choice. So let's assume I'm gonna write I love my subscribers. So let me write I love my subscribers. And of the truth, I love you guys. Seriously, I love you guys. So I love my subscribers. What's happening? Okay, I love my subscribers. So here is it. You can see that this is the color. The color is white. So in case you want to bring it down, you use your hand to drag it down. In case you want to bring it up, you use your hand. Now in case you want to change the color, if it should be in this white, it's not really popping. Now this is another thing you should pay close attention to. Can you see all the styles, effects, animation, bubbles, and all of this? Now you can literally play with each of these. So if you click on style, if I click on style now, let's assume, I've chosen this one. You can see now this is red. I love my subscribers. Now let me show you something else. If I click on effects now, you'll see all the effects. If I click on animations, now you're gonna see the animations that will be available. Do you understand? So the thing is that sometimes it might rotate like this. You just have to wait. Did you see that?
It's editing.
Did you guys see that? So after doing that, you need to click on this good sign. Now the thing is this, in case you want, so let's play the video. Let me show you something. Let me show you how it is going to appear. Okay, let me just drag it here first. Let me drag it here. So as we are watching the video, you see the way it is going to appear. So
it's editing. So each time they remember that after creating content, they will have to edit it.
Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? So you know what? In case you want it all over the video, you understand? In case you want it all over the video, you can just hold it and drag it. You hold it and drag it to the end of your video. You understand? So this is it. Now let me show you guys another thing I love removing. You see this ending? I love removing it. I love removing this ending. So if you're like me, you can just click on it. After clicking on it, you click on delete. You understand? So oh my goodness, this video is over 10 minutes. So for the audio, let me show you something. For this audio, you can just click on audio. Once you click on audio, then you scroll. Once you scroll, you see this microphone. You see this record sign. So once you see the record sign, you can click on it. Once you click on it, this interface will pop up. Now once this interface pops up, you click on this one that looks like the microphone. Once you click on it, it will begin to count down. It will count down from 3, 2, 1, 0. It's just like it telling you on your mouse, get set, ready, go. Then you start recording. Do you understand? So let me show you guys something else. There is really no time. There is no time, guys. So this one is effect. If you want to add effects, if you want to add effects to the video, if you want to add effect to the body style and all of that, guys, these things are literally very, very simple. There are things that if you play with them, you will get the best out of it. Now you see this particular one. This one is called layout. So let's assume you want to add a video to this, or maybe you want to add sound to it. So let me show you how to add something. So now you can just click on this overlay. Once you click on overlay, it will tell you to add overlay. You click on this add overlay again. Now let me bring in this other video. Then you click on add. Now guys, can you see this? Now the amazing thing about this overlay is this: you can reduce the size of this video. So let's assume I am reacting to what this other other person is saying. Let's just assume we have two different people here. You understand? So let's assume I am reacting to what this person is saying. I can just put it at the side like this while I am saying what I have to say. You understand? So guys, I want you to, okay, this one is speed. Guys, we have amazing features here. This one is speed. If you want to talk fast, if you want to talk very slow, you use all of this. See, Capcut is easy, like it's simple. So all I want you to do for me at this point is for you to come over to Capcut, then play with all these features. You understand? The more you get to play with these features, the more you get to understand editing. Now here we have voice enhancer. So this one will help enhance your voice. But the thing now is this, it is a pro feature. It's not a pro feature. Before now it used to be a free feature, so you can literally make use of the free version of Capcut and you still get the best. In all you do, just ensure that your sound is good. Once your sound is good and your quality and your video quality is good, trust me, people will definitely watch your videos. You understand? So guys, let me know if you'll be trying this out. Let me know if you use Capcut or you're always using InShot. Let me know if you use Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me know what you use in editing your videos. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.